Is the green screen working now? Perfect. Joe Knows here, coming to you live from our corporate headquarters in Malvern, Pennsylvania. Excited to celebrate the 20th anniversary of our Flintlastic SA system. 20 years of safe roofing. Speedy, affordable, fume-free, and easy to install. So where can you install it? That is the question that we're here to answer for you today, to show you that Flintlastic SA can go everywhere. First, working with a plywood or OSB deck, Flintlastic SA nail base is our 2-square mechanically attached base sheet with a sand surface underside, 86 mils thick, that is perfect for any nailable substrate. As a reminder, metal cap nails are required because we don't stick to plastic. Do you have exposed ceiling on the interior or looking for that true 2-ply fully adhered system? Flint Prime QD is our quick dry asphalt primer that floats when the wind is accurate and can be applied to any substrate to enhance adhesion. It's ASTM V41 compliant, installed down to that plywood or OSB deck, followed by your Flintlastic SA ply base, which is also a 2-square roll, which is 60 mils thick. This installed to the prime plywood or OSB deck, capped with the SA cap or SA cap FR cap sheet, qualifies for a 15-year warranty term. If you're looking for a longer warranty term, Flintlastic SA Mid-Ply is our 1-square fully self-adhered roll with a split release film on the underside that can be installed directly to that primed plywood deck, coming in at right around 110 mils. This, capped with the Flintlastic SA cap or SA cap FR, will qualify you for a 20-year warranty term. Flintlastic SA ply base, Flintlastic SA mid-ply, the difference is easy to see. Next, we'll start working with a steel deck scenario with an insulation package. Our Flintboard ISO line, available in flat and tapered panels, can be installed mechanically attached directly to your steel deck. Then you'll install the Flintlastic SA ply base, fully self-adhered with that release film on the underside, self-adhered directly to the Flintboard ISO, capped with your Flintlastic SA cap sheet, will be a 15-year warranty. And if you have a cover board that's required for the project, don't worry, because we have you covered, as Flintlastic SA ply base and Flintlastic SA mid-ply will self-adhere directly to HD boards as well as gypsum cover boards. Now, if you have a scenario where you have multiple layers of insulation, or if you have that Flintboard ISO that's mechanically attached, you have that gypsum cover board or that HD cover board installed in adhesive, SA mid-ply and SA cap then becomes a true 2-ply 25-year warranted system. Lastly, we're going to work with our structural concrete deck, again utilizing the Flint Prime QD quick dry asphalt primer, Flintlastic SA ply base, self-adhered directly to your structural concrete deck, capped with Flintlastic SA cap or SA cap FR, will be a 15-year warranty term. And then that thicker base sheet, that 110 mils thick base sheet, self-adhered to that primed concrete deck, capped with SA cap or SA cap FR, will qualify for a 20-year warranty term. Flintlastic SA is FM, Miami-Dade, TDI, FBC, and UL listed and approved, and is available in a variety of granule colors. Thank you. As you'll see here. So we have 12 different colors for the cap sheet that pair really well with our shingle and siding line. If you see here, there's a quick breakdown. SA nail base, SA mid-ply, SA ply base, and your cap sheet. Quick breakdown, anywhere from 12 to 25 years in warranty term. Now, one thing I will say is that our Flintlastic SA technology is definitely a lot better than what our green screen technology is. That being said, we're going to come over here to some commonly asked questions. So the first is, what is the slope? So with any modified bitumen system, you want to work with positive drainage. So a minimum, you're going to be a 1/4 inch and 12, and you can go all the way up to 6 and 12. Now, when you're at that 1 and 12 and higher scenario, we do have additional installation requirements. So make sure you go to CertainTeed.com pull up those back nailing details. Another question is there a minimum installation temperature? So 50 degrees and rising is where we want to be for the Flintlastic SA system, but we do have another product that can make it down lower, right? So that would be the Arctic Edge Cold Edge lap tape. This, coupled with keeping those rolls warm, making sure that they are warm enough, tacky to be rolled out, keeping them in that warm location until they're ready to be installed, that allows you to go to that lower than 50 degree point. This with the Leister application as well, because that's another commonly asked question, is how do you prepare any granule-to-granule overlap?
Joe, we have one question from the chat. Does it go down quickly?
So it actually does go down quickly. So a lot of people, what they see, because we're a multi-ply manufacturer and there's multiple plies in the system, they think that automatically it doesn't go down as fast as single ply. So what we did was that we did a time trial, which was posted to our Instagram account a few days ago. So what I would do is ask you to take a look at that and judge for yourself how fast that SA system can go down. Any other questions? Nothing from the chat? All right, well, I thank you for joining me here today, and Flintlastic SA 20th anniversary. Come join me for the next 20 years. This is Joe Knows. Till we meet again.